Welcome to Solidworks video tutorials. Exercise number 1. Assembly of basic blocks. First, select the new part. Now, open a file to be assembled which is in IGS format. Once the component is open, now save this file as in part format. Now, open new assembly, select insert components and take the component to be assembled. Rotate the component accordingly as to be assembled. The same component can be taken into the window using Control and drag the component. In order to rotate the component, right click the component and select Move with Triad. Then specify the angle about which the component to be rotated in order to produce the required assembly. After desirable rotation, now select both the faces of the component which are to be mated, then specify Mate. It refers to a coincident mate. Now select top the faces and give coincident mate. Now select the projecting faces of both the components and give coincident mate. Again, take the component by selecting Control and drag and select the bottom and top faces of the component and give coincident mate. Select the edges of the surface, again give coincident mate. Now select insert component and take a component which is to be assembled in this component. Rotate accordingly as to be assembled. Now select the bottom face of the new part and the previously assembled component and give coincident mate. Select the surfaces of the components and the new part. Now this component is fitted in the previous assembly part. Check whether the component and the parts are exactly fitted and assembled. Now again take the previously assembled component using Ctrl and drag and select Move with Triad. Rotate it as accordingly which is given in the manual. Now specify both the parts and give coincident mate. Then select both the vertical surfaces, again give coincident mate, then the base part of the components. After it is assembled, now select insert components, then select the new component to be inserted within this assembly. Take the component and rotate it accordingly as specified in the manual. Once it is rotated, now select its projected surfaces and the previously assembled component and give coincident mate. And now select its interior surfaces. As the base is not exactly lies within the previously assembled component, give the coincident mate at the base of the part. Now again, take a new component by selecting insert component and browse for the component to be assembled within this part. Rotate it accordingly. Now select the face of the part and the assembled component and give coincident mate. Select this base surface of the component and the top surface of the assembled part. That's it. Our assembled component is finished.